Hi all, hope each and everyone is doing well and good, and it is me Dr. Amrita here. This is going to be a very short video. What about this video? I received a query in YouTube section regarding the best institute for DNB anesthesia, that is in Kerala. And also I got another query that's couple of days before, which are the best, I think Dr. Fatima asked this question, which is the best institute for DNB anesthesia, that is in Bangalore also. So a small detail also regarding that also I'm saying in this video. So yes, it's a very short video. So about DNB anesthesia in Kerala, the first set, any of this, if you get it, it is actually worth a Baby Memorial Kozhikode. First, you can give Baby Memorial Kozhikode, and also I want to say that Baby Memorial is actually a good thing. Most of, if you watch the previous videos, also most of the specialties we put it in the high level, that is good level. So Baby Memorial is again for anesthesia is also Baby Memorial is good. At the same time, Baby Memorial Kannur also good. The thing is that Baby Memorial Kozhikode needs more rank, as when you compare with the Kannur. Actually, if we're getting like we want much more rank for this Baby Memorial Kozhikode. So if you get it, Baby Memorial Kozhikode or Kannur, no issue. This Kannur also good actually. So when you compare the both, which is the best one? Yes, of course, Baby Memorial Kozhikode. Then Malabar IMS, that is MIMS is good actually. In radio also, radio and some other branches also I have told that MIMS, Calicut I have given the first. Here also anesthesia also MIMS is good actually. Any of this, the first set you can put any of this MIMS, Aster also good. Then Lissi, Lakeshore, Lutz. When you analyze the previous, so many candidates high demanding were Lutz, but it now the trend is getting changed. But okay, it's not, we don't want to give it like in first option. If you're getting this Baby Memorial, go for it. Otherwise, just go for these things. Baby Memorial should be your target. Baby Memorial and MIMS Kozhikode should be the target. Then later, any of this, no issue. I have already mentioned like Aster, Lissi, Lakeshore. IQRA is actually good because patient load also good. It is good. Mostly the Kozhikode institutes are actually good. IQRRA, then this MedTrust like that Aster or Medical Trust Kochi. Caritas Kottayam is also a pretty good this thing. Then this should be the first set. This should be any of this. If you are getting, it is worth. Then after that second set, just put these all things. That is a Little Flower, Rajagiri, Ernakulam Medical Center, Apollo Deluxe, Angamali, MIMS Kannur. Then put only all hospitals that is in Trivandrum, because when you compare my previous videos, some other specialties I told that we can put the KIMS and all up, but here in DNB anesthesia we are putting KIMS and all in the third set only. So KIMS Trivandrum, most of the hospital for anesthesia we are putting only in the third set. So third set KIMS, SUT and all. And about fourth set we can put this thing, all the rest hospitals like Daya General, Thrissur, KIMS Al Shifa, this Trivandrum SP Fort. I told that now ortho, it was one of the famous hospital like that, and I have told, but the patient load is ortho is okay, but when you compare and analyze with the bed, actually SP Fort beds are low. But here anesthesia house it, I will say only to put in the fourth set SP Fort. This thing, Daya General, KIMS Al Shifa, SP Fort. One hospital is Smitha SMEMU and RC1. It is there. That is in Todupuzha. It is like within 2 years only established. So if there is no any of the higher options you are not getting, then only go with these hospitals which I am saying in the last. That's Vida and our government Taikyad Actually, medicine and all, this thing, Thycad is actually good, but anesthesia and all, you can put it in the last. And this is it's a very short video. And Cosmo also I have told, na? Cosmo, you can put after Kim's or equal to Kim's Cosmo, like that you can put for anesthesia. Then I think we have completed, like anesthesia not that much. This Polkulattu, one more. Polkulattu Kochi, that's all in the last. Anandapuri, if you ask me, Anandapuri, you can put it after Kim's only, down, much more down. Kim's SUT, then put this thing. Kim's SUT, then put this Polkulattu Kochi and all, just put it down. Marsleva, PRS, much more down. And the last thing, that is this Mita and all, I have already mentioned. Then about this Bangalore hospitals, actually Bangalore, this Baptist hospital is actually good. Bangalore, when you analyze when you compare whether is it for anesthesia, is it good? Yes, of course good. Delhi, we are like Delhi, Karnataka, actually good for anesthesia, actually DNB anesthesia. So Bangalore, the Bangalore Baptist hospital is good. Then this Fortis hospital, Manipal, Apollo, Aster, Narayana Hridayalaya, Sri Satya Sai. If any of this is anywhere you get, it is worth actually. If not this, then you can go with Sri Satya. That's also good. So this was a very short video. I planned to shoot in the night. So I hope that this got beneficial. Thank you so much for watching. And if you are new to my channel, I used to update. I also feel so sleepy. I used to update everything in my post section in the YouTube channel. When you just open my YouTube channel, near to that videos, this thing shorts and all, you can see a section called as post section. That is a POST. When you click that, you can see all the recent update I used to put. That is All India quota I used to put, as well as my state Kerala I used to put. And thank you so much and all the very best. Thank you all.